Let's turn a great architectural photo into a blueprint using a script. So the script is called Blueprint, and you just run the script. And now I will adjust the details, and the settings will depend on the photo. So my settings will differ from yours. So do I want to increase here or not? Let's keep those settings. And again, I will adjust these settings so that the lines will really stand out. I think the default are pretty good. Now I can remove some sections that maybe I don't want. I think that's about it. Let's continue. And yes, I want to add some text. And I continue. And there it is. I have turned my original photo into a blueprint. Now it's your turn to convert any photo of buildings, architecture, or even some objects into a blueprint. Have fun!